Okay, go.
Put this on Facebook.
Marchetta's and Cinnamon Challenge.
You do mine too, since I actually beat it. If I didn't beat it, I wouldn't let you put it on there.
Make sure it's off the spoon. Oh!
It's only my phone.
It's going in your tongue. Don't put your head down. That's cheating.
No cheating! What are you doing? Keep your mouth closed. I think mine are still in my teeth. Oh, so.
Wow. How much I lose? Out.
What? No. Ew.
Not that bad.
Woo!